Doing something different today. We're going on a little adventure. A Lego. Oh, I just remembered. There's one important thing we have to do before we start our adventure. Well, I guess this is the start of our adventure, but this is key to success. No adventure is complete without waiting in line for some coffee. Coffee acquired. You know, it's really weird recording in public when you're walking down.
Yep.
But we made it to our first destination, and now I gotta mask up and ruin my beard. All right, well, our first stop was only like 85% successful. We didn't get the one real thing that we came here for. Store number 2, we struck out. Time to go to store number 3. We might not be able to make our special dessert today. Success. We are going to be preparing some freaking protein donuts, and I cannot wait to make this. Let's get started. Here's our lovely concoction. Now I've started preheating the oven, 350 degrees. Now we gotta mix this bad boy up. All right, our batter is now done. Check this out. Ooh, chocolatey goodness. Time to spray this bad boy up, get it in the oven. All right, we are in the tray. Now it's time to go into the oven for about 8 minutes. Let's do this. In the oven. Timer. Oh boy, too much. Now it's time to make the icing, the caramelizing. Well, as we can see, the donuts, kind of donuts, are done and out of the tray. They're chocolatey goodness. It's time to put some caramel, some icing on top. All right, here is the finished product. 6 chocolate kind of donuts with caramel icing. All right. And now it's time for the taste test. All right. Cheers. Wow. Gooey in the middle, caramel on top, chocolatey. That's some good stuff. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today on my little baking adventure. If you want to see more stuff like that, I'd be happy to put it out there for you. Let me know, like and subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And until next time, I'll see you later.